Good afternoon. Thank you for visiting this special forum, and thank you for your interest in hermetic pumps, can motor pumps for natural refrigerants. In this short time, I will tell you something about why you should take can motor pumps. By the way, my name is Dick-Jan Vree. I'm from the Benelux office in the Netherlands, in Breda, working for Hermetic since 2008. And in the next few minutes, I want to tell you something about the can motor pumps, the differences between the can motor pumps, magnetic-driven pumps, and pumps with single or double mechanical seals, and especially, of course, the benefits of can motor pumps. Furthermore, some about natural refrigerations, applications, and hermetic solutions for that. We all know the three types of centrifugal pumps. Pumps with the pumps with the double mechanical seal, with ball bearings, separate motor, coupling. You have to line out. Magnetic coupled pumps a little bit that's more safe due to the can, and also having ball bearings and a separate motor, and then of course the can motors with motor and pump in one, and without and hermetically closed. What are the benefits of the pumps with double mechanical seals? Just a low, cheap, wet end, big solution, but don't forget you have also need the thermosiphon for the double mechanical seals. You have one great benefit is lowest heat input into the liquid. What are the benefits of the magnetic coupled pumps? You have an external motor again, cheap change of motor unit, and increased safety due to the can, which separates the fluid from the environment. Then the can motor pumps, maximum safety due to the secondary containment. You have here the stator liner, then you have the motor, and even when the stator liner is broken, you have product in the motor and not in the environment, where you have the magnetic coupled pumps. When the can is broken, you have the product through the ball bearings to the environment. It's a complex design, lowest life cycle cost, easy to install. You don't have to have the extra coupling which you have to line out, and it's resource saving. Now to the disadvantages, the pump with the double mechanical seal, highest risk for pump leaks due to the seals which are in contact with each other and has wear. Therefore, you have to, at this pump, the highest maintenance cost, high maintenance cycles, as shown later, largest footprint, high installation costs and efforts. The magnetic coupled pump is between with the disadvantage between the can motor pump and the double mechanical seal pump. The initial costs and life cycle costs are between both pumps. The maintenance interval, which we show later, is also between seals and can motor pumps. And you have liquid cooling, which adds heat to the process. You have to calculate with that, especially for CO2. Disadvantage of the can motor pump, the highest cost for the pump itself, but don't forget the maintenance cost in the next years. You have losses through the can. The liquid cooling adds heat to the process, which has to be calculated, especially at CO2, but of course all refrigerants. In short, you can say the higher the temperature, or the higher the pressure, or the higher the risk of the potential of the fluid, you will choose for a Kent motor pump. And of course, I hope you choose for the hermetic Kent motor pump. From low to high, pumps with gland packing, centrifugal pumps with double mechanical seals, magnetic coupled pumps, and then the Kent motor pumps, especially through the second containment for the total safety against medium leakage. The total cost of ownership. I said in the beginning, you have to pay the price for the pump, which is higher than with double mechanical seal and magnetic coupled pumps. But when you look into the mean time between failure, and it's at the double mechanical seal is 2 to 3 years. The costs are not so high. Okay, approximately €1,000. Magnetic coupled pumps have a mid time between failure of approximately 4 years. A little bit higher costs for the repair. But Kent motor pumps, you have mean time between failure 8 to 12 years. Okay, the costs are higher because you have mostly the bearings are not okay anymore. And this is not what I found out, but it's what small companies and large corporations in more than 60 years that they are using our Kent motor pumps have noticed. And so you can see, although the hermetic coupled pump of the Kent motor pump is in the beginning the most expensive pump, after about 12 years you see that the maintenance costs are very low, or below that from magnetic coupled pumps and double mechanical seal pumps. And of course, the pump is running, and that's also, you don't have to send a mechanic to the pump. It's also something worth it. Typical installations where we have the Kent motor pumps from hermetic. The pictures are speaking for itself. For the future, we see possibilities in typical application of CO2 in the carbon capture utilization and storage, which we can use our CO2 pumps, our experience with those pumps to transport the liquefied CO2 to the tank, then the unloading stations, and further transport to, for instance, underground storage. When you want to see more about this application, this new application, you can visit the website and you can find further information over there. When you are interested in the application reports, you will find them on our website. As you can see, wind power, supermarkets, research, server rooms, sports facilities, cold stores, railway, baked goods, medical, and to show you some. For all these applications, we have short two-side sheets. Maybe it's interesting for you. Then, what are the benefits of the hermetic or the Kent motor pumps, and especially delivered from hermetic, manufactured from hermetic? As we know, all Kent motor, or most of the Kent motor pumps, I have to say, have secondary containment, leak-free, low life cycle cost, small footprint, long-lasting, low maintenance, and resource saving. What are the benefits of hermetic? Due to these points, we have the proven technology, more than 50 years of experience, easy to fast to select, with our selection program, which you can see on our, or you can sign in for that program on our website. We have small delivery times. We have an emergency stock worldwide service team. We have the largest pump portfolio, standard and engineered. You won't find all the pumps for the refrigeration industries in this selection program. We have special applications. You will find them. You have to ask us for engineered pumps. So I'll show you later what the possibilities are. The hermetic pumps are suitable for all refrigerators, best in price and performance, and the global support and service network. Then, what kind of pumps or what kind of solutions do we have? And I start with the new pump. It's coming soon in 2025, because that's always what one is asking. What is new one with hermetic? This is one of the new pumps. Especially for CO2, where the customers asked for higher pressure rating. Our standard pumps are normally PM25, PM40. Most of the customers wanted to have higher pressure rating, so we constructed a pump with normal suction design, multi-stage. It's 3 or 4 stages. A capacity of maximum 18 cubic meters per hour, had a maximum 55 meters, although I have to say it's at 60 hertz. Opening temperature, you see it, minus 40 to plus 15 degrees. Standstill temperature to plus 25 degrees. A high efficiency motor. And therefore, I said almost all can motors have a second containment. This is one construction without a can, so you have only the motor casing. The pump is also built more compact. It has especially low NPSR values. We made it simple and avoid unnecessary seals. And it will be then also, you can also get it with the selection program. But that's next year. You have to wait till then. Please see here our standard refrigeration portfolio. We have the single stage can motor pumps. We have maximum capacity of 80 cubic meters, 70 meters. As I already said, pressure rating PM16, PM25, and PM40. PM60 is mostly for the stainless steel applications. Operating temperatures minus 50 to plus 30 degrees. Used for ammonia and CO2, the main media, but also other refrigerants are possible. Or what I heard today on the stand, water with ammonia is also possible. Materials, steel, stainless steel. Then the multi-stage pumps, the CAM or CAM-R, that come with the horizontal inlet, and the CAM-R with the vertical inlet. Maximum capacity 40 cubic meters, head of maximum 180 meters, a maximum motor of 90 kilowatts, pressure rating PM25 or PM40, temperatures the same, ammonia and CO2 as main media, materials stainless steel or steel. The first step to the higher pressure rating was then the CAM-H, 40 cubic meters, 120 meters. It says PM25. It's used for CO2 with higher temperatures, till plus 5 degrees. As I told you, for ammonia you don't need this PN25, but for CO2 it was a wish from the customer. Main medium CO2, it's in steel deliverable. Then the CCO2 pump, as already told you, PN65, only for CO2 due to the wet motor. And the LC pump for water molecule mixtures. It's only PN10, small pump, but working the same as the other pumps. Steel and stainless steel. It's only in a single stage solution. As I already told you, if you cannot find a suitable pump, we can give you another solution in the chemical series. Also in single-stage pumps, the CNFs for fluid gases, with capacities of maximum 1,600 cubic meters, maximum 220 meters, rotating speed 1,500 to 3,500 RPM, temperatures till 120 degrees, but of course for CO2 it's not possible to reach 120 degrees due to vaporization. Viscosities 300 millimeter square millimeters per second. Pressure ratings PN 60 and 25. Furthermore, the CAM series with multi-stage or tandem design, 2 times 6 stages is possible. Maximum capacities of 350 degrees, maximum height of 1,100 meters. 50-60 hertz is possible. Minimum about 30 hertz possible due to the product you pump with. Viscosities maximum 300 square millimeter per second, and pressure rating, if you wish, with a barrel to PN 100, but that's not the normal refrigeration pump series. Not the short delivery times as we have for the refrigeration industry. And other prices, of course, because most of these pumps are engineered to order pumps. We only make this on your order. I will thank you. This was, if you want to have more information, please visit our booth in Hall 6 at 116. Then we can show you some open models of these pumps, which are normally hermetically closed, but you can see how it's working, and we're happy to see you there. Thank you for your interest. Hope to see you in the booth.